Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini air sign. This is April weekday reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Messages for Gemini air sign. Wow. Gemini, what's going on? The world with Queen of Swords. You decided to cut off this person from your life, or you are setting healthy boundaries, or you want stability, you want marriage. Otherwise, you don't want this person. Yes, you decided to cut off this person. You stand by your power, and the world, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, Six of Cups and Ten of Cups. You have so much love towards this person. Queen of Cups, you are very sharing and caring person, Gemini. And Six of Cups energy, you both feel that you are soulmates. You both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Ten of Cups, yes, you both are happy with each other. Past was pretty good. Everything was fine. Then present. Judgment, Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. But something has happened between both of you. You have to make some decision. Yes, it's a decision time for you. You have to make some decision regarding this relationship, Gemini. Maybe Seven of Pentacles, they keep putting you in waiting mode. Maybe they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. That's why you fed up with this energy. Yes, everything past was good, but there is something happened between both of you. Nine of Pentacles. Then you started focusing on yourself, on your career, creating more money. Then you will stand by. Then you will stand by your power. Now you are very, very powerful. See, you are creating more money. You are very stable emotionally and financially. Then future, Eight of Swords, the Devil and Eight of Cups. Maybe this person is toxic for you. You may be obsessed with this person, or they are obsessed with you. You're feeling stuck. Yes. Maybe this relationship draining your energy, because they always keep putting in waiting mode. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. You're feeling stuck. You are unable to make any move. That's why you decided to walk away. Yes, even though it is difficult for you, but you still decided to move on from this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Ten of Swords under the deck. More clarity what's going between you and your person. So your person feelings. Their feelings, Gemini. I think they are physically attracted to you. Yes, they are obsessed with you. Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, and Empress. Maybe for one person, woman in this connection could be pregnant. Four of Pentacles. They are not expressing their feeling, they are holding back, but they are physically attracted to you. The Lovers card is here. You both are very, very attracted to each other, especially your person obsessed with you. They are physically very, very attracted to you. So let's see their intentions. Maybe for some your person have some ego problems also. Six of Pentacles. Hanged Man. Yes. Maybe they have hard times to express their feelings right now. And Queen of Wands. They want to make a move towards you, but they are not. Yes, they're willing to make a move. They're willing to take action towards you, Queen of Wands. But yes, there is no equal give and take in this relationship. Six of Pentacles is here. And the Hangman with Four of Swords. Right now your person is not talking to you. They're doing some meditation to heal their self. And the Hangman, they are spiritually awakening to this connection. And right now they are healing their self, Four of Swords. But they're thinking about you. Yes. Maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings. Four of Pentacles, the Hangman. Yeah, they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you. Yeah, even though they want to take action, but right now they're healing themselves. That's why they're not taking any action. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some, maybe they're scared for rejection from your side. Yeah, a lot of drama. Judgment. Yes, they are also going to make some decision regarding this relationship. And they are spiritually awakening. They are also listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And yes, Five of Wands. More than one person may be fighting for your attention. Right now, there are a lot of issues going between you and your person. And judgment. Yes, they are also undergoing... They are also want to make some decision. Yes, they are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship. And you also thinking about them a lot. Five of Swords. Maybe trust issues in past. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you, backstabbed you. Yes, Two of Wands. Maybe for some you have options, but you also thinking about them a lot. For some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. The Fool. So you are living in the present moment. You are going with the flow. Yes, you are enjoying your company, your own company. Ten of Wands and Four of Cups. It is becoming overburden for both of you, and because there is no equal give and take, only one person is taking all the responsibility in this connection. And Four of Cups, you both feeling missed opportunity with each other, and it is becoming overburden for both of you. Yes, you both feeling right now overburden and missed opportunity with each other. Mutual card. Yes, that's why your person healing their self. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. You and your loved ones are safe. New Moon in Cancer. If you are feeling worry about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, so definitely you and your loved ones are safe. And what do you need to release? So if you are feeling negatively about your person or thinking about them negatively, so leave them. Leave all the negative thoughts and negative emotions, because sometimes those thoughts also create resistance in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Please wait for me. Second chance. Free yourself. You already did it. I need some space now. Yes, right now your person is spiritually, maybe they are awakening, they are undergoing some meditation, and please wait for me and second chance. For some, maybe they will come back for second chances and free yourself. First, you have to free yourself. I think you are in this process. For some, you already did it because you walked away, then you are in full energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.